Hey there, and welcome back to Medifit Mosaic. Today we are talking about something that could change your life, your body. Yes, that amazing machine that carries you through life. But what happens when it starts to send out the distress signals? Your body is constantly communicating with you. And the problem is, most of us are not listening. We dismiss fatigue, headaches, or even hair loss as normal. But what if I told you these are your body's SOS signals? Today, we are going to dive into 11 signs your body is asking for help, and more importantly, how you can fix them with simple science backed solutions. Get comfortable, grab a cup of tea, and let us get started. Sign number one, constant fatigue. Let us start with a big one, constant fatigue. And I am not just talking about feeling tired after pulling an all nighter or after a busy day. I'm talking about waking up exhausted even after 8, 9, or even 10 hours of sleep. You find yourself dragging through the day, and no matter how much coffee you drink or how many naps you take, the fatigue just doesn't go away. This kind of fatigue is a major red flag. Your body might be dealing with deeper issues like anemia, low iron levels, or even a thyroid condition known as hypothyroidism. These conditions are more common than you think and often go undiagnosed because people chalk up their fatigue to a busy lifestyle or stress. Here is what you can do. First, make sure you are eating enough iron rich foods. Think spinach, lentils, chickpeas, red meat, and even fortified cereals. Iron is crucial for creating hemoglobin, the protein in your red blood cells that carries oxygen throughout your body. Without enough iron, your body can't get the oxygen it needs, leading to chronic fatigue. Second, get your thyroid checked. The thyroid gland located in your neck is responsible for regulating your metabolism. If it's underactive, your metabolism slows down, leaving you feeling sluggish. A simple blood test can reveal if your thyroid is working properly. Even if you are getting 8 hours, poor sleep habits like looking at your phone right before bed can mess with your sleep cycle. Sign number two, frequent headaches. Next on the list, headaches. Everyone gets headaches from time to time, but if you are getting them more often than usual, your body is waving a red flag. Headaches can be caused by a variety of things from dehydration to stress to even nutritional deficiencies. The first and the most common cause, dehydration. When you don't drink enough water, the brain can shrink slightly, pulling away the skull and triggering pain receptors. And here is something surprising. Even mild dehydration can cause headaches. So, if you find yourself reaching for painkillers regularly, stop and think about your hydration first. The solution is simple, drink water, but not just any amount, aim for at least 8 glasses a day. More if you live in a hot climate or are physically active. And remember, water rich foods like cucumbers, watermelon, and oranges also count towards your daily intake. If dehydration isn't the issue, the next thing to consider is your diet. Magnesium is a powerhouse mineral when it comes to preventing headaches. Research has shown that the people who suffer from frequent headaches often have low levels of magnesium. Food rich in magnesium include almond, spinach, black beans, and avocados. Lastly, if your headaches are stress related, it is important to find ways to manage that stress. Deep breathing exercises, meditation, or even taking a walk outside for some fresh air can help lower your cortisol levels and reduce tension. Moving on to something a bit more visible, dry skin and brittle nails. If you have noticed your skin feeling tight and flaky or your nails breaking easily, this could be a more than just a cosmetic concern. It is your body's way of telling you it is lacking essential nutrient. Omega 3 fatty acids in particular are vital for keeping your skin soft and hydrated. To combat dry skin, make sure you are drinking plenty of water, but also focus on incorporating healthy fats into your diet. Vitamin E is another must have for the skin health, so make sure you are getting enough through foods like almonds, sunflower seeds, and avocados. And don't forget about biotin. If your nails are cracking easily, biotin supplements can help strengthen them over time. Foods like eggs, sweet potatoes, and nuts are also natural sources of biotin. Sign number 4: frequent digestive issues. Let us talk about something that can be both embarrassing and frustrating: digestive issues, whether it is bloating, constipation, or the indigestion. If these problems are becoming frequent part of your life, your body is clearly trying to tell you something. Your digestive system is like a mirror for your overall health. When something is off, it can often manifest as digestive discomfort. Frequent bloating, for example, can be caused by food intolerances, low stomach acids, or even an imbalances in your gut bacteria. When it comes to solution, first thing first, look at your diet. Are you getting enough fiber? Most people don't. Fiber is essential for keeping your digestive system running smoothly. It acts like a broom sweeping out waste and toxins from your gut. Foods like whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and legumes are packed with fiber, and adding them to your diet can do wonders for your digestion. Probiotics are another powerful tool. These are the good bacteria that help balance your gut microbiome. Fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi are excellent natural sources of probiotics. If you struggle with constipation, make sure you are drinking plenty of water, staying active, and including fiber rich foods like chia seeds or the flax seeds in your meals. Lastly, if you suspect food intolerances might be the issue, keep a food diary and monitor how you feel after eating certain foods. Sometimes, eliminating foods like dairy or gluten for a short period can help pinpoint the cause of your digestive distress. Feeling irritable or anxious lately, your mood can be a powerful indicator of what's going on inside your body. Sudden mood swings or frequent anxiety attacks might not just be in your head, they could be linked to hormonal imbalances, nutritional deficiencies, or even lifestyle factors like poor sleep and high stress levels. One of the key players here is magnesium. Magnesium is often called the nature's chill pill because it helps regulate the body's stress response. When you are low on magnesium, your body feels more anxious or easily irritated. Hormones, especially in women, can also cause mood fluctuations. When it comes to solution to get your mood back on track, first incorporate more magnesium rich foods into your diet. Almonds, spinach, pumpkin seeds, and dark chocolate are great sources. Yes, I said dark chocolates. It is good for you in moderation, of course. If hormonal changes are affecting your mood, make sure you are supporting your body with balanced meals that include healthy fats, lean proteins, and complex carbohydrates. Omega 3 fatty acids from fish and flax seeds can also regulate your mood. And let us not forget the importance of managing stress. Regular exercise, meditation, and simply getting outside for a walk can work wonders for your mental well being. Don't underestimate the power of movement and mindfulness to reset your mood. Sign number 6 is unexplained weight loss or gain. Have you noticed a sudden weight gain or loss without changing your diet or exercise routine? This can be incredibly frustrating and often points to underlying health issues like hormonal imbalances, thyroid problems, or even stress. One of the most common culprits here is the underactive thyroid, also known as hypothyroidism. Your thyroid regulates your metabolism, and when it is not functioning properly, it can slow down your metabolism, leading to weight gain. On the flip side, hyperthyroidism or an overactive thyroid can cause unexplained weight loss. If you suspect your thyroid is to blame, get a thyroid function test. It is a simple blood test that can give you insight into whether your thyroid hormones are out of balance. Another key player in weight changes is stress. High levels of the stress hormone cortisol can trigger your body to hold on to fat, particularly around the abdomen. Managing stress is crucial for weight management. Try incorporating stress reducing activities like yoga, meditation, or even spending time in nature to lower down cortisol levels. And don't forget the basics of a balanced diet. Ensure you are eating whole, unprocessed foods, staying hydrated, and getting enough sleep. Poor sleep alone can contribute to weight gain due to the increased hunger hormones. Sign number 7: muscle cramps or joint pain. You know that jolt of pain when you wake up in the middle of night with a muscle cramp. Muscle cramps, especially at night, or joint pain during the day, could be your body screaming for more electrolytes or even signaling deficiencies in minerals like calcium, magnesium, and potassium. First of all, bananas are your best friend. When it comes to cramping, bananas are rich in potassium, which help your muscle contract properly. Also, consider adding leafy greens, beans, and yogurt to your meals to support calcium and magnesium level in your body. If you are exercising regularly, make sure you are replenishing lost electrolytes, especially if you sweat a lot. Coconut water is a natural electrolyte drink, or you can try adding a pinch of salt and a squeeze of lemon to your water for an electrolyte boost. And of course, stretch regularly to keep your muscles flexible and prevent cramps. Sign number 8: poor concentration and memory issues. Do you find yourself forgetting where you put your keys or struggling to focus at work? Poor concentration and memory lapses could be more than just a brain fog. They could signal a lack of essential nutrients or a poor hydration. Your brain is made up of around 75% of water, so even slight dehydration can cause cognitive issues. Beyond that, poor diet and lack of sleep are major factors in brain function. When it comes to solutions, first and foremost, drink water. When your body is hydrated, it functions more efficiently and your memory and focus improve. Secondly, feed your brain. Include more foods that boost brain health like blueberries, fatty fish, and walnuts. These are packed with antioxidants, healthy fats, and nutrients that enhance brain function. And let us not forget the importance of sleep. Sleep is when your brain consolidates memories and repairs itself. So make sure you are getting 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. If you are having trouble sleeping, try establishing a bedtime routine and avoiding screens before bed. Sign number 9: hair loss. Losing a few strands of hair every day is completely normal. But if you have noticed clumps of hair falling out, thinning patches, or more hair in your brush than usual, it is time to pay attention. Hair loss can be a result of many factors, including stress, hormonal imbalances, or nutritional deficiencies like iron, zinc, and biotin. When it comes to solutions, first manage stress. Hair loss due to stress, known as a telogen effluvium, can be temporary if you take steps to reduce your stress levels. Meditation, yoga, and deep breathing exercises are all excellent ways to calm your nervous system. Second, boost your iron intake. Hair follicles need oxygen, and low iron levels can starve them of it, leading to hair loss. Incorporate iron rich foods like spinach, beans, and fortified cereals into your diet. And don't forget about biotin, which is essential for hair health. Food like eggs, almonds, and sweet potatoes are excellent sources of biotin. Have you noticed that your vision has become blurry or that you are squinting more often? Changes in vision, especially if they happen suddenly, are not something to ignore. Eye strain, especially in today's digital world, is a huge factor. But vitamin deficiencies, particularly vitamin A, can also impact your eye health. When it comes to solution, start by taking regular breaks from screens. The 20-20-20 rule is a great tool. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away at least for 20 seconds. This gives your eyes a chance to relax and reduces strain. In terms of nutrition, make sure you are eating enough vitamin A rich foods like carrots, sweet potatoes, and leafy greens. Vitamin A is crucial for maintaining good vision, especially in low light conditions. If you are still experiencing vision problems, make sure to visit an eye doctor for comprehensive exam. Sign number 11 is frequent infections. Last but certainly not least, if you find yourself getting sick often or if your wounds are taking longer than usual to heal, this is a clear sign that your immune system might be struggling. Your immune system relies on a range of nutrients to function properly, but two standouts are zinc and vitamin C. Zinc plays a crucial role in wound healing, while vitamin C is powerful antioxidant that helps repair tissues and boost your immune deficiencies. When it comes to solution, first make sure you are eating plenty of zinc-rich foods like pumpkins, seeds, chickpeas, and meat, and load up on vitamin C by eating fruits like oranges, strawberries, and kiwi. If you are frequently catching colds or notice that cuts and bruises are slow to heal, consider adding a zinc or vitamin C supplement to your daily routine. And of course, maintain good hygiene practices like washing your hands regularly to reduce your risk of infection. And there you have it, friends. 11 signs that your body is asking for help, and more importantly, what you can do to get back on track. Your body is an incredible machine, and with a little attention and care, you can keep it running smoothly for years to come. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. So start listening to your body today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who needs to hear this. And hit that subscribe button for more health tips and advice. Let us keep growing and thriving together. Until next time, take care of your health and stay healthy.